everyone, my name is the Deus Gamer, and today I'm going to introduce you to our camera system. One thing to notice about is that we don't use Cinemachine, but I'm going to change that as soon as possible. But till then, I'm going to introduce you to the actual one, and enjoy. Basic camera movement: when we move the mouse from the right to the left, the camera view goes to the left. That means that the camera view follows the mouse and also to the opposite side. And if we move the mouse from the middle to up, the camera view goes up and also the opposite. If we reverse the whole thing, we can move the mouse from the right to the left and the camera goes to the right, and also the opposite. Same happens if we go and move the mouse from the top to the bottom and from the bottom to the top. Camera clamping means that if we move the mouse to the right or to the left, that will clamp around the character. We can also disable it. That means that we no longer clamp around the character. We have also a feature which means camera track player. That means that wherever we run and we move to the left or right, the camera doesn't follow the player anymore, so we can do it by ourselves. For that option, we also have an extra option which means move towards camera view, which is not enabled yet and will be enabled in the future, which means that wherever our mouse is heading to, or our camera view, the character will move automatically to that direction. Camera base. We have three options for users, which is follow damping, clamp angle, and input sensitivity, which are kind of self-explanatory. Input sensitivity means that if we increase the value of it, we can move much faster with the mouse around the character. Follow damping means that if we increase it to 2, let's say, and we run, the camera follows the character slower. You can use that for enjoying more the game, or in case anyone wants to make videos for the game, it can help kind of if you set these settings up pretty high. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure you write down in the comments the things you like about the camera system and the things you don't like, or things you would like to see. If you have any improvement tips, let us know. I'm not a video editor, by the way, so bear with me with my insane editor skills, and I hope you like this video. I will see you next time. We will show next time player movement, improved player movement, since in this video we didn't have all the animations in there, and or the new camera system with Cinemachine. I wish you a nice Sunday and see you next time. Bye bye.